Old idiot. Yes, man.
First of all, I would like to say thank you to everybody who actually take the time out to like and share these videos. When I ask you to, it really means a lot to me. You know, it's kind of like some motivation. This is say, yo, you want to do something and people enjoy. Thank you to all the people who also hit the subscribe button. For the ones who subscribe from a long time and still there, and the ones who just click the subscribe button. Like, thank you very much. And what I can say to you is just stay tuned and be prepared for all kinds of madness from Kevin to Crazy. Whoa, 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 whoa. Anyways, so this Jamaican man, I can say, gave new meaning to the term medical attention, as he had to visit the hospital after he had an erection that lasted 48 hours. Now, for some of you who don't know maths and don't understand 48 hours is what, that is 2 days. 2 days. And penis stiff for approximately 2 days. Now, I am guessing he was suffering from an overdose on one of the famous penis hardening products on the market now. And these penis hardening products clearly state that if your erection lasts more than 4 hours, seek medical attention. Me still try to figure out why this brother wait 2 days. Now I am thinking that he probably wanted to get as much as he could from that erection. And when me say as much, I'm talking about as much sexual intercourse. After all, how often does your penis stand on end over a couple minutes? How often does your penis have blood cruising through it at the speed of light? I can just imagine how hard it must have been for him walking around his house. I am wondering if it's a girl con him. Women are famous for telling you that, yo, I'm gonna give you a little piece, but then pull a no shoe. Now this brother probably here say, yo, I'm gonna finally get for dipping at the cookie jar. So him pop a Viagra or 12, and then the girl decide for to turn up. Women don't know if you stop do that. You ready for later? Hey, you want to know something? I'm not gonna make it. But me take the Viagra them already. Viagra them? No one is supposed to take. I don't think it's the extended erection that really bothered the man, but probably the fact that every time him take a piss within the 2 days span day, it'll lick him 9 chin. And also for the fact that him probably have a sleep looking like a 10. And for the fact that the drugs did not only give him an erect penis, but also an erect ball sack, fingers, toes, and every follicle here on him body. It's one thing to have an erect penis, but it's another thing to have an erect penis and don't have anywhere to put it, especially for 2 days. Now this man must be an idiot. If him go pop a Viagra or 24, him deserve a surprise kick from a donkey. And the reason why I say this is because every yard man knows when you pop no pill, especially if you're young. When you reach way up in the 60s and then sitting there, you might consider it. But if you're young, like 30 of them sitting there, they wanna talk about the popping a pill. We got link the roots man. You have a roots man in almost every taxi and bus park in Jamaica. And if you can't find the roots man, ask your taxi driver. Taxi man have roots man on speed dial. Like how a pregnant woman have her husband on speed dial. Yo, you have a new link for you, you know. Yeah man, we are forward. No, you know what I say? Deal with the World Cup special themes, in. Yeah man, make him get the World Cup special. Put in 1 big buckle of goal kick. Make him get 3 buckle of slide tackle. 2 penalty with the red card mixing it. And then more you give him a half-side and a quart buckle or overtime. Yeah man, boss, you go kill your girl tonight. Hopefully this man did not die from his 2-day erection, you know, and all is well. Yeah. And if you're not, hit the like and the share button and also the subscribe button. This is Kevin Too Crazy. Think it, believe it, and live to achieve it. Be sure to check out my new video that's right there in the corner up there, so look and you will see it. Click it, watch it, like it, share it.